much better. She's definitely eating regular foods, and very interested in everything that's going on. And just have her in a little cage just till she gets a little bit stronger. But she pushes herself up now. Yeah. Stands up. And see, she does it again. She pulls herself up with the bar. She's flapping. That's a little small to be flapping, honey. But she's very excited. This is the first time I had her in this type of cage. Out her here with the other birdies. Yeah. Pearl, come here. Yes, I know you're excited. Come here. Come here. There you go. Yep. Hope. River. Seem better if I move that, huh? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yes. Look at you pulling yourself up. Oh, what a good girl. Yeah. River. He is pretty, isn't he? So don't ever, ever, ever give up on a bird, folks. They're very, very strong. Yes. Maybe give them lots of love and lots of attention. The right foods, the right atmosphere. Anything is certainly possible. Yeah.